Ever felt like your FPV drone is fighting you? You nudge the stick, it goes wild. You correct, it goes wilder. Crash. That, my friend, is overcorrecting. The number one killer of beginner FPV flights. But what if I told you there is a simple mindset shift that can fix it? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to break free from this frustrating cycle and fly smoother. So, why do we do it? It's natural. We see the drone drifting, our brain screams, fix it, and we jam the sticks. But FPV drones are incredibly responsive. That tiny input you think is gentle? It's a massive command. We are essentially trying to steer a race car with a sledgehammer. The problem isn't your drone, it's your input. And the solution? It's all about minimalism. I call this the whisper technique. Instead of shouting commands, you are going to whisper your drone. Here is how. Tiny nudges. Think of your stick movements as millimeter, not centimeter. Just a breath of inputs. Wait and observe. After that tiny nudge, wait. Give the drone a moment to respond. Don't immediately add more input. You'll be surprised how much it moves from a whisper. Correct the correction. If you see yourself overshooting, don't jam the stick back. Instead, just ease off the initial input slightly. It's like feathering the throttle, not slamming the brakes. This takes practice. Start slow in wide open space. Focus on one input at a time. Maybe just to pitch, then just roll. Get comfortable with how little input is needed. Your goal isn't to perfectly correct. It's to undercorrect until you find that sweet spot. Your muscle memory will adapt, and soon those whispers will become second nature. So, next time you are flying, remember, less is more. Whisper to your drone, don't shout. You will be amazed at how much smoother and more enjoyable your flights become. Now go out there and fly smooth. Happy flying.